state or quality of being dedicated to something. I guess your heart just wasn't in it. When you felt obligated, stay until you found a better option. Now crying in the hallway, sitting on the floor outside the room of your emotions, say fine, I love you always. Is it fair to throw the towel when everything is broken? I wanna love you when it's raining, when it's hard to keep the flame burning. I wanna know if we're worth saving, when I feel the pages turning. I wish I could stay when the sun goes away. Our love outweighs the pain, but I'd be lying to your face. The definition of resentment is the bitter indignation, having been treated unfairly. I don't wanna keep pretending, cause the state we're in is heading to a place that's getting heavy. I crying in the hallway, sitting on the floor outside the room of your emotions, say fine, I love you always. Is it fair to throw the towel when everything is broken? I wanna love you when it's raining, when it's hard to keep the flame burning. I wanna know if we're worth saving, when I feel the pages turning. I wish I could say when the sun goes away. Our love outweighs the pain, but I'd be lying to your face. I wear my heart out on my sleeve. Sometimes I people please. I try so hard to keep intact all of the memories. You broke my trust, gave up on us, call it a reality. If you come back, I wish you will. I wish I could say when the sun goes away. Our love outweighs the pain. I'd be lying to your face.